Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to our channel.
My name's Ken Healy.
And Gigi Helly. And in this video, we will show to you our new machine. The unloading of the new machine that we bought online. See you soon. I don't want to
I wasn't sure how you get out of Brisbane.
Oh, with the truck you get away with it, for yourself. I think it's going to New South Wales, I think it's they've actually got no quarantine yet, I think.
Hey, where do you want to unload all those? Over beside your shed or the back row then?
Are you living out here long?
No, we're only 5 months.
Okay, yeah.
I had a house in Maryborough the other side. I had that 2 years. Yeah, I worked in the Isa. Yeah, I worked in the Isa for 22 years.
Who lives up there?
Hey?
Who lives up there? Then he used to work for Transfield.
Oh, Transfield, yeah. I was working for...
Small world.
Okay, yeah. He worked for Transfield for a while up there.
Yeah, Transfield, yeah, I remember them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there.
So many years to live in Mount Isa.
We lived up there for 3.5 years.
When did you move?
Oh, back in 80, hang on, 90, I think it was.
Yeah, I just want to spin around first. Just watch the back of your own, touch that machine.
one will,
Put your bucket on
the
ground.
bucket will hold it. That will support.
Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground. Now, bring your machine over and then lift your bucket and bring it down. You know what I mean? Bring it out, walk it out, let it slide along the ground. Let it slide. Let it slide, keep going. Right, just bring your bucket down slowly. Bring it up. Up.
Up like that, yeah.
Up. Yeah, it'll come down. It'll come down. Let it come down. Yeah, bring your machine down.
Oh,
Right? Yeah. Right, keep walking it down. The bucket holds it.
yeah.
Let it slide. Right, bring it down a bit more. Yeah. Now you're walking on. Yeah, you're walking on there now. On the track? Yeah, you're on the track. Keep going. Just bring it down. Bring it down.
The bucket is digging.
Come this way a little bit. Yeah. Right, bring your bucket up a bit more. Take the weight off the bucket. Take the weight right off it now.